Namaste student. Here we have problem related to ratio and the surface area and volume. Let's see for problem we have here. The first one, the radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 2:3 and their height are in the ratio 5:3. Calculate the ratio of their surface areas. And if you look at the third question, same question, just here it is asking that calculate the ratio of their volume. So in one question we'll see the both. So what we're going to do, we'll assume it here for the first one or third one. We'll take here r1 r2 be ready and h1 h2 be heights of the cylinder. Now what they have given here, radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 2:3. That means r1 is to r2 equals to 2:3. This implies r1 by r2 equals to 2 by 3. Next, if you see, h1 is to h2 equals to 5:3. This implies h1 by h2 equals to 5 by 3. Now we'll proceed for the next. Calculate the ratio of their surface area. So therefore require ratio equals to what? Surface area they are asking. So surface area is 2 pi r1 h1 is to these two can be written as in by form. So 2 pi r2 h2. So if you look at here, 2 pi cancel each other, we'll get here r1 by r2 into h1 by h2. This can be written here h1 by h2 5 by 3, r1 by r2 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into 5 by 3, and this will give you 10 by 9. That means 10 is to 9. This will be your answer. Okay, next. Second number, the ratio between the curved surface area and the total surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1:2. Prove that its height and the radius are equal. So we'll assume here, okay, we'll go for the volume also. You can find by yourself that required ratio. You will write for volume. What we are going to do, pi r1 square h1 by pi r2 square h2. We are doing this one for third number. So everything will be remain same. Just instead of this one, we're going to write this one. Why? Because they are asking volume, not surface area, curved surface area. So pi cancel, r1 by r2 whole square into h1 by h2. r1 by r2 means 2 by 3 whole square into 5 by 3. That is 4 by 9 into 5 by 3. And this will give you 20 by 27. And that can be written as 20 is to 27. Okay. Now let's see the second one. So we'll assume it here. Let r be radius and h be height of the cylinder. Okay, so here we need to prove that r and h are equal. So they have given here the curved surface area and total surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1:2. That means we have here, now what we have, CSA by TSA equals to 1 by 2 we have, because the ratio can be written as in a fraction form. So now CSA of cylinder is what? Yes, 2 pi RH, and TSA 2 pi RH will be in bracket plus R. This will be the formula for total surface area. Now we can see that 2 pi R and 2 pi R cancel each other. We'll get H by H plus R 1 by 2. This implies 2 times H and 1 into H plus R will give you H plus R. This implies 2H minus H equals to R, and this will give you H equals to R. And that only we need to prove that height and the radius are equal. Okay, next if we proceed for the fourth one, what we need to do, two circular cylinder of equal volume have their heights in the ratio 1 is to 2. We need to find radii. So same language we're going to write, like let r1 r2 radii, h1 h2 height. After that, third number, okay, let me write here r1 r2 radii and the h1 h2 the heights of the cylinder. Now what they have given here, volume have been given. Okay, equal volume. See, two circular cylinder of equal volume have their heights in the ratio. So here h1 is to h2, that means h1 by h2 has been given, that is 1 by 2. This one we have. And here the volume of the first one, that is pi r1 square h1 given, it is given here, equals to pi r2 square h2. This one they have given. Now pi cancel each other, we'll get r1 square by r2 square equals to h2 by h1. If you see, h1 by h2 will give you 1 by 2, that means h2 by h1 will give you 2 by 1. So instead of 1 by 2, here we can see here h2 by h1, so we're going to see this one, we'll write here 2 by 1. Now r1 by r2 whole square equals to 2 by 1, and this will give you r1 by r2, taking square root on both sides, we'll get here root 2 by 1, and required ratio will be root 2 is to 1. Remember, we need to take positive, as distance never be negative, so we'll not take here negative part, otherwise square root will give you plus minus root 2 by 1. Okay, I hope it is clear. Thank you.